Here we are with a nice Tri-Lakes Common, 16.5. Fought like an absolute demon, long and lean. Hi, we're here at Tri-Lakes Country Park in Yateley, and just returned that stunning 16.5 pound common back, and I'd like to talk you through my favourite snag fishing rig. First of all, I use 20 pound Hydro Tough mainline in the low vis green, my sort of preference. Really tough, really abrasion resistant, onto 2.5 to 3 feet of heavy plummet lead core in 45 pounds, onto a covert multi-clip with a tail rubber just pushed on so that the lead ejects upon the take, not only making the fish easier to play in, but also becoming a much more fish safe rig. I then use 25 pound sly skin and a size 6 wide gape talon tip. Gives really secure hook holds, they're razor sharp and they're super strong. This rig itself is this is a 15mm coconut ice pop-up made by Mistral, and it's basically probably around 6 inches, not too long. And what I do, loop this end attached to a Q-ring for quickness and ease of change, running down onto probably an inch before the eye of the hook. I have a supple section to which I place a number 1 shot which balances out the bait just nice. I then have probably an inch of an unstripped section, so a stiff section, which has got, obviously creates really good anti-eject properties. I just have a tiny piece of 0.5mm XT silicone just to hold it all in place, and then a stripped section, so it's nice and supple, so the boilie can sort of act naturally, and this whole thing just hangs over nicely like a claw.